we're up here on a white vinyl roof. What happens is it gets dirtier, starts absorbing heat. We're gonna go ahead and soak it with the Simix multi-surface cleaner to allow it to break down any of the dirt that's bonded to the surface. We can get it nice and clean, and then we're gonna be applying 4 coats of the Simix coating. Again, this is a silicate-based ceramic, so it'll increase the strength of the roof. It'll also help reflect a lot of the sun's heat. It won't allow this dirt to adhere to the surface. Dirt will sit on the surface, but rain will wash it all down. I've got the foam cannon. I've got the Simix multi-purpose cleaner inside here. That's 8 ounces of powder to the rest hot water. I have the tip dialed in. For this particular job, I'm maximizing the amount of product I put down. Once I have it in, I have the tip adjusted for a fan spray. Pull the trigger and spray. That's all there is to it as far as getting a cleaner on here. You don't have to put it in a backpack sprayer. You don't have to sit there for hours, trying to do 5,000 square feet. The cleaner's been sitting for about 5 minutes, maybe 6. So this is the Whisper Jet. This is by the brand Hurricane, all connected. I'm gonna pull the trigger, make a couple passes to show you what the end result would look like. Here's the roof. It's clean. It's got 1 coat so far. We're using a backpack sprayer right now. So we take our pump hook sprayer and we saturate the applicator first, spray out the coating, and then we just work the product in, just like that. All right, here we are back at Sundance 3 days later. Remember, this was an old roof, 15 years old, never been cleaned before, so there are permanent stains that will never come out. But you can see the brightness, but that's what you want. Sun to hit it and bounce off. Keeps the roof cooler, heat doesn't transfer inside, and all in all, this is a great job and they're all really, really happy. This is just amazing.